in this video we are covered the most important topic, the custom field and the custom values. So let's start the video. And you have to understand the both thing is like that, the custom field and the custom value. First, custom field is basically the entities of the contact. Okay, like first name, the last name, the contact phone number, the email, the location. So this is all about the custom field, means the unique fields of the contact, the age. Like this is all about the contact field. Okay, so let's see how we can manage and create the contact field inside the CRM. And first we have to go to the sub account setting and then navigate to the custom field option. You can see we have option all folder fields and a deleted field. Click on the add field. We have multiple options, single line, multi-line, text box, and phone number and the number and the checkbox. There are multiple options. You can select the option and then create the field. I have also explained all these action and the field how to create them in my form building video. You just have to go and watch how to master form in GoHighLevel. I have explained each and everything in that video, and I don't want to waste your time to again do the same process. And this is all about the custom field, mean the unique entities of the contact. So next is the custom values. Custom value is basically the entities of the business or the companies, means their unique name, their website, their email address, their phone number. And you have to add the custom values inside the email, inside the workflows. What I want to say, let's say the custom value, we can say that the business name, and this is the business name, and business name is ABC company. Just for the sake of example, click on the create. Now you have unique business name custom value. Okay, so search. So this is our unique custom value. You just have to copy this and add anywhere inside the CRM, like in the emails, in the funnels, in the messages, in the email snippets, in the template. You can add anywhere, and the name is auto populate on the preview and the user end. So this is all about the custom value. So in short, custom field is the unique entities of the contact, and the custom value is the unique entities of the business. So this is all about the custom field and the custom value. And I'm also explaining the custom field in very detail in my form building video, how to create and explain each type of the custom fields. Go and watch the video. I'm also adding the link inside the description, and you can go through and watch the video. So yeah, that's it for this short video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share with your friend. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.